It's a sealed can, chum.
I'd have opened it by now.
That's the thing about the can. I've always been tempted to open it, but I thought it might be worth something.
I don't know what to tell you. I mean, I'm sort of dying to know what's inside the can. I'll tell you what, I'll give you 10 bucks if I can open the can.
Okay.
Can't wait to see this.
I've been waiting 10 years to see what's inside this can.
You guys ready?
Come on. Come on. Awesome.
They're just plastic pearls.